Welcome to our channel. I am Nick from TiRapid. Today, we are talking about how DFM can improve collaboration between design and manufacturing teams. Optimizing manufacturing from the design stage enables efficient, cost-effective, high-quality production. The goal: we received a CNC machining order from an H68 brass camera base. Through an initial DFM analysis, we discovered that certain complex structures in the original design required highly precision tool path planning, with machining accuracy up to plus and minus 0.05 millimeter. Following the original design, machining costs could increase by 30% or even result in processing failure. To address these challenges, we worked with the customer to adjust key design structures, optimizing cavity depth and modifying tolerance requirements. After optimization, machining errors in critical areas were reduced to plus and minus 0.01 millimeter, improving assembly precision. Additionally, by optimizing tool path and selection, tool lifespan was extended by approximately 20%. This resulted in an 18% reduction in overall machining costs and prevented additional costs from mold adjustment. Before officially sending the code and starting production, we use PowerPoint and 3D visualization software for in-depth discussions with the customer. By presenting key machining process, fixturing methods, tolerance requirements, and tool parameters, both the customer and I could provide real-time feedback to ensure all technical details were aligned. This level of detailed communication helped accelerate the overall project timeline by 1 month. With our DFM-driven optimizations, the average rework rate in our projects was reduced by 65%, and the production cycles were shortened by 20 to 30%. Additionally, the precise cost evaluation through DFM kept our quoting error margin within plus and minus 5%, significantly improving budget predictability for large-scale precision machining projects. DFM is not just key to design optimization, but also a critical tool for ensuring manufacturing quality, reducing costs, and improving delivery efficiency. If you are interested in CNC machining or DFM, contact us or subscribe for more insights. Thank you very much, and we will see you in the next video.